CRMchat is the best CRM and outreach tool in Telegram. First, let's open it. As you can understand from the name, it has two main goals. The first one is CRM. It allows you to manage all your Telegram leads, to capture them automatically, to add different properties, reminders, notes, talk to them through our interface. You can also integrate CRMchat with HubSpot, Pipedrive, Google Sheets, Notion, or any other tool to send your Telegram contacts or groups there. The second part is outreach. Here you can reach out to hundreds of thousands of Telegram contacts automatically. You can add multiple Telegram accounts, so you can schedule a sequence of messages. You can run dozens of campaigns simultaneously. So here it's a simple example of one of the campaigns. We use the sequence with different templates. Hey, name, I saw you're interested in the product. Happy to jump on the call tomorrow to show you more. The last one, are you in the city? Our founder will be there next week. So the first message is sent, we wait 1 minute, send the second one, we wait 1 hour, send the third one, and then we wait 1 day and send the final one. As soon as the contact replies, the sequence stops, and this contact is automatically populated into the CRM part of the product. Then your BD or your sales rep can continue the conversation. You can use CRMchat as your own CRM, again, by switching between CRM and outreach tabs, or you can connect CRMchat to any of the bigger CRMs like Pipedrive or HubSpot. So you will run all your outreach campaigns on Telegram automatically here, and all the leads will be populated into your, let's say, HubSpot.